Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Half-Ass Homestead. Today we're going to be making pub-style pickled eggs. Today we are making 2 dozen pub-style pickled eggs. What I've gone ahead and done is hard-boiled, peeled, and smoked our eggs. Smoking's optional. We just cold smoked them for about a half hour to 45 minutes prior to pickling. If you guys would like the easiest way to peel your day-old eggs, I'm going to link in the card above and then in the description box below a 1-minute video tutorial on how to get the easiest peeling eggs you've ever done. It's an absolute miracle. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave the link. Let's jump right into the recipe. It's super easy, super quick, and they're absolutely delicious. All right, we are starting off high heat. There is 3 cups of white vinegar in the pan. We're adding to that 1/2 cup of water, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1½ teaspoons of canning salt, 1½ teaspoons of pickling spice, 4 whole cloves, and 1, crushed red pepper to taste. We're using 1 teaspoon. We're going to bring this to a boil and boil 5 minutes. All right. You're going to need your half-gallon jar, an onion sliced, and then your eggs. What you're going to go ahead and do is layer our eggs and our onion slices through the jar. Now we're going to take our hot brine and pour it over our eggs. Alright, so what we are going to do, we're going to put a nice lid on top of these. We're going to allow these to come back down to room temperature. Then we're going to refrigerate probably about 3 weeks prior to consumption. It takes a little while. 3 weeks to a month is ideally how long you'd like to leave them sit in the fridge before you start eating them, so they get nice and brine soaked. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you let me know in the comment section down below if you made these and what you think. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.